guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm tired. It's Saturday morning, 7 a.m. and I'm filming this video for you.
Like skincare Saturdays, facial Fridays.
I don't know. This is just new. I'm piloting. I'm throwing this out there. So I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, hi, how are you? My name is Kiara. Welcome to my channel. Don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and then hit that notification bell so you can get more facial Fridays, or skincare Sundays, or Saturdays, whatever I name it, so you won't miss out. Alright, so, and if you are a current subscriber, hey y'all, I didn't forget, welcome back. Hey. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump into this video. Yeah. Okay, so today I am trying this brand called Peach Slices, and it is a Korean brand, a very affordable Korean brand located in CVS, and it's a brightening sheet mask. I'm gonna go through the entire steps of giving myself a facial this morning. My face actually looks not too bad. I have nothing on my face. Like, I literally brushed my teeth, and that's it to film this video. I didn't put anything on my face. So it don't look too bad. Alright, so yeah. Peach Slices Aqua Glow Mask, a Korean brand located in CVS. They are under the brand Peach and Lily, and that's the more high-end brand. I plan on buying a few of their products and trying them out with you guys, so we'll do that in the future, so no worries. So yes, we're going to follow the steps. So we're going to cleanse, we're going to apply toner, we're going to apply the mask, let it sit for 20 minutes, and then we're going to toss it and see what it does. Now, you know I'm going to put some moisturizer on. Like, I'm not just about to be out here with no moisturizer, so you already know. And then I also bought like a little lip mask. I really probably won't be able to talk with this on, but I'll just try it and we'll see how it goes. My lips be a little dry sometimes. Alright, so we have my cleanser. You guys already know what I'm using. If you watch one of my skincare videos before, you already know that I'm starting this morning off with Tasha. So maybe I could bartend again. Fun fact, I used to bartend when I was in my grad program, working on my master's. I was bartending during the summer, so I did it for 2 years, back to back. And then I stopped because it was good money, it was quick money, it was cool, but like I didn't have a life. Like at one point I bartended part-time, then the next point I bartended full-time. So I'm like, the money is good, like you still getting like your little raggedy little baby checks. They don't really pay bartenders much, but you're really making up the rest in tips. So the money was really good, but the company that I worked for, they was treating people like kids and shit. They was like, on your shift, give me your phone. I was like, is there anything in the handbook saying if something happens to my phone that y'all gonna reimburse me? And they was like, no. And that's why I was like, so what makes you think I'm gonna give you my phone? We are grown-ass adults. Just be like, don't be on your phone. But you're not about to be coming, collecting phones, putting it in the fucking basket. Especially you ain't paying this bill. Yeah, they never took my phone. Then they tried to enforce that little rule. I was like, yeah, I don't have a phone. You stupid? Something happened to my phone. Somebody steal my phone. Screen get cracked. And I'm just looking stupid. Girl, bye. So yeah, they was just doing really stupid things, and I was just like, you know what? I'm about done. I'm halfway through my program. I'm working full time still. Let me just focus on just working, and don't mind me, you guys. I'm looking in the mirror right here, just looking at my face. But yeah, and I don't know why I like to rub the cream in my forehead like this, but it feels so good. And then you see it gets more like soapy. It just feels so good, like that circular motion. I love it. But yeah, they tried it. They tried to play you, girl. Like, you're not about to take my phone, bro. What if I had kids? I got 2 kids I need to check on. You tried it. They ain't know that, but I should have said I had a kid. They probably know. Oh well, but the fact of the matter is, you're not taking no adult's phone, and then y'all got nothing in place in y'all handbook saying y'all are liable if something happened to it. That's where you messed up at. And I asked him, he was like, well, no, well, we won't reimburse them. So you ain't taking my phone, bro. But yeah, that was random. That was me going on a rant. But yes, I used to bartend. Fun times, good money. If you want to make some money on the side, I would recommend it, but just FYI, you will not have a life, okay? You will not have a life. And then I was doing it in the summer, so I really felt it. Like, people was doing, like, boat parties, going out and bars. Man, I'm working. Making money, but I'm working. Man, that was kind of sad. Alright, so we are done with the Tatcha Deep Cleanse. This is a great cleanser with like a little mild exfoliator in it. It's just amazing. I just love. Okay, my face feels a little dry this morning. Well, I do have dry skin, but I feel like my skin is transitioning from dry to combination in some areas. But my face is starting to feel a little dry this morning. Good morning. Alright, so we're following the steps on this peach and slices mask. So we did our cleanser, and now they're saying apply a toner, and then we'll apply the mask. So I am using my Neutrogena Pore Refining Toner. If you don't like the perfumey scents and all that, then don't use it, but it really don't bother me. I like the way it smells. So I just put a little bit on my cotton ball, and I just dab it in. I just dab it into the areas that my pores that are super enlarged. Maybe I should dab it on this pimple. I don't know what that would do. Doubt that would do anything. But this is trial and error. We're learning. We're going to use Okay, the toner is dry. So now we are applying this Aqua Glow mask. So they're saying leave this on for 20 minutes. Okay, we're going to see. Hold on, I can't really smell it just yet. Oh. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see that, but... Alright. This is a lot of product. So... time-tested Korean ingredients, gently formulated, instant radiance, 100% natural cotton sheet mask. All right, Korea, let's see what you got for me. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, my nail. If you got sharp nails, you might not want to apply this mask with the nails because, as you can see, my nails are not done, but I do have nails. Like, they actually broke off, so they're shorter than what they were, and I just ripped this mask. So be mindful of that. Now I gotta be extra careful. I don't think I like sheet masks for real, because I feel like dude from Texas Chainsaw Massacre, what's his name? Leatherface. That's what I feel like when I put this on. Got it in my nose. I have it on. I need to set a timer for 20 minutes. Where's my phone? Alright, we are setting the timer for 20 minutes. Timer. Trying to get all these money's worth. Even though I think this mask was about like $3. Still. Okay guys, so I have my mask set. I've noticed when I talk, my mask starts to move a little bit. So I'm just gonna let this sit for a little bit And I'll catch you guys back in about 20 minutes. So, oh, I guess I should put my lip thing on too, huh? Since we waiting. Oh, and this got to be on for 15 minutes.
It's really exciting, so I just want to take you guys up there
What are we doing?
and start hair and makeup. We're gonna do a photo shoot, girls.
Nigel Barker, a noted fashion photographer.
Who's your best shot?
This is my favorite photograph. I agree with Matthew about the
Wow, my lips feel really good. I may have to get some more of these. I wonder if I can order these online. Aqua Jelly Lip Mask, Hydrating Pout Perfector. I think I'm going to buy a couple more of these because my lips feel so good. Ooh, okay. So we got the first part done. Let's reveal this mask, see what came from it. My face feels very, very hydrated. I will say that. Okay. I guess I should never put those. Wow. My face feels okay. All right. Oh, all right. My, oh, 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 but you gotta get into this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow. My face feels great, you guys. Like, wait a minute. This is... And it just says for number 5, just to pat in, just to make sure everything is patted in. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Okay, so I'll just let everything air dry. Okay, we're not gonna do that. Okay, so I guess I won't be adding a moisturizer at this moment, but okay, I'm gonna buy a few more of these masks. If you guys want to try these masks, the brand is called Peach Slice. It's under the brand Peach and Lily, so it's more affordable. You can find Peach Slice on probably Amazon. I know you can find it in CVS stores, and I'm sure you can find it online. I'll put the information in the description box down below, but my face looks great. I look great. Wow. Wow. Alright, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys found some new products that you're interested in trying. But yes, that is the end of this video. If you've watched it and you've enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.